no scoop. And I'm gonna try to be hitting that target over there with the mirrors that I'm gonna get. So, okay. Alright, see the target, guys? I'm gonna be shooting at this mirror. Okay, Justin, you can aim to the mirror. Onto the mirror, Justin. Sounded like a hit. Alright, let's go check it out. Alright, this is Bonk Juice again. We're gonna go check out how we shot. Ooh! Alright. We had that one as practice. Yeah, I know. I saw where you hit. Alright, there's practice ones. This is the one I just hit. Right there, if you can see it. Right there. Alright, so they're pretty good. Now, if I hit the center of that target, it's the best thing ever.